Hello guys, my name is Rohit and you're watching Rohit's Feed. In today's video, we will be talking about how you can invest in a crypto as low as 1 rupees. For this, we are going to use Bitbns Exchange. I have also created a video on India's best 3 crypto exchange. I will provide a link in the description, or you can click on the I button for that video. So you will get a clear idea what is Bitbns. In this video, I will be telling more detail about Bitbns and how you can purchase a crypto with low as 1 rupees. So let's head towards my browser and open the Bitbns Exchange. As you can see in my tab, I have already opened Bitbns. Okay, let's go to the home page. Okay, this is the interface of this Bitbns Exchange. Okay, there are many meme coins and altcoins available here. Okay, so let's head towards the market. As you can see, the lowest price in this exchange for the crypto one is Bittorrent. Okay, the Bittorrent token, it's around 0.0014700. okay, this is the lowest coin present over here. Okay, so I will be telling you how you can buy it. So okay, let's first tell me how you can create an account over Bitbns. Okay, so it's very simple. Just head towards the bitbns.com and create your account with email ID and password, and then the KYC is must to buy the crypto. Once you have KYC verified account, so you are ready to trade. Okay, so I just click on Bittorrent to show you guys. Okay, now you can see here this is the chart of Bittorrent. Okay, if you are advanced trader and have the knowledge of how to read chart and do the analysis, you can go with that. But basically this video is for those who do not have much larger amount. So as compared to the other exchange charge you or have the limits to buy, but Bitbns is my favorite one and with lowest fees of trading. Okay, now talking about Bittorrent, the volume required is only 1000. If you want to purchase 1000 Bittorrent, you only need to pay 0.16 rupees, which include the fees also. So you are actually buying for 0.15. Now the thing is that how you can if you do not have 100 rupees and want to invest lower than 100 rupees, so here is the trick to show you how you can deposit as low as 1 rupees to the Bitbns Exchange. Okay, now head towards the wallet and click on deposit INR. Okay, now you have many options here: PhonePe, Google Pay, Paytm and bank, or you can also buy USDT from other third-party exchange. So now we are going to deposit INR for 1 rupees. Now I click on UPI, and now you have to choose your UPI payment. So for that you have to also link your bank account. Okay, and you have to keep in mind that from that account only, that bank account only, you have to transfer 1 rupees to Bitbns Exchange. Okay, I select my account. Okay, now you can see that the details have been appeared. Okay, this is the UPI ID to which we have to send 1 rupees, and here it says minimum deposit is 100 rupees. But do not worry guys, we are just going to send 1 rupees. Okay, now I will go to my mobile screen and transfer 1 rupees to this UPI ID, and I will provide you the screenshot. So I have successfully transferred 1 rupees, and you can see that INR 1 rupees deposited. Okay, in your case, if you are the first time sending 1 rupees, you have to click that I have sent the amount, and from where you have sent the 1 rupees, you have to enter the reference ID and click on continue. Within 2 to 3 minutes, your money will be get deposited. Now let's go to wallet, and now you can see that I have 1 rupees and 0.1 paisa. Okay, if it takes time, just refresh from here, or if it does not appear, click on claim and again enter the reference ID. Now as we have got 1 rupees to our exchange. Now let's get towards the market and buy the Bittorrent. Okay, as you can see, you will also get an this kind of pop-up. So close it, and now we are going to buy Bittorrent. For you can just head over here and click on 1 rupees. Okay, for 1 rupees amount we will get 6,734 tokens. Okay, so proceed to buy. Okay, I will just click on buy. Okay, wait a second, just we will check for. Okay, this is the lowest price for the seller is going ready to sell that amount, so we are going to buy for that 1 rupees. As you can see that volume is 6,734 Bittorrents for the price of this much, and net buy amount is 1 rupees. Now we will confirm the order. Yes, confirm. Okay, quantity too small, minimum allowed amount is 10,000. Pass limit is okay, close. Okay, as now you can see that in my account I have 2 rupees 0.01 paisa. Okay, as you can see I have also got an pop-up saying that INR 1 rupees has been deposited. Okay, let's head towards the market, and now we are going to buy Bittorrent token. Okay, so the minimum volume is 10,000. Okay, we have firstly tried, but here it was showing that 1,000, but the real one is 10,000. So I will put 10,000 in this volume. So for example, let's buy for 2 rupees. Okay, 100% of tokens we will be buying with our INR. Okay, so let's confirm the buy. Click on buy. Now here the confirm order will be ticket will be shown that for volume of 13,606 Bittorrent at a price range of this much, and net buy amount is 2 rupees 0.1 paisa. So let's click on yes, confirm buy order. Oops, no sufficient balance to purchase the currency. Okay, so let's head towards 2 rupees. Buy, confirm buy. As you can see that our order has been filled. Now let's check out the wallet. Okay, as you can see that Bittorrent, okay, 13,538 token. As you can see, the pop-up has been arrived saying that the trade has been executed, and our token has been deposited to our wallet. Okay, now with this you can again sell when this Bittorrent gets you a profit, or you can deposit from other exchange or withdraw to other exchange. Okay, so this was a simple trick to invest as low as 1 rupees. Okay, in the more upcoming videos I will be telling you more detail about investing and earning a passive income. Okay, I will focus on passive income, so that's why I believe in passive income. So there are many methods I will be telling you in the upcoming videos. Soon I will be also going to launch some unboxing videos, so stay tuned. And if you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update. Till then, stay tuned.